everyone, I'm back with another video, and today we're doing a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4 slime smoothie. I have my container. These are really small, so I think they'll fit in here. These are all made of the Nickelodeon Extravaganza slime. I use clear glue, the blue glitter, and some glitter I got from home. This one, what is this one? Oh yeah, I made it today. I made it last night. Actually, it has some white glitter, and those are bubbles, not black dots. And it's glow in the dark, and it's white. Of course, you can tell. This one has googly eyes. Tell me if you guys can hear it. And then these were actually stuff. The brown stuff. It actually came with it to make it look like it was disgusting slime. It's weird. And these are. This is clear slime. It doesn't look clear anymore. Neither does this, because I added lotion to make it more stretchy. But this was clear slime. It has some blue glitter. All of them have some blue glitter, except for the glow in the dark one I made today. But this one has foam beads. So yeah, let's get to the real thing. So this one is like really good. So let me show you guys. Sorry everyone. Did you see the ceiling? Now you see that. So slime, it's not clear anymore, but it was before. Also, someday soon, I'll come with you guys to with another video of me making one of these slimes. Also, everyone says they don't work. Sorry. I bet they just free-handed it. You need to actually do the measurements. So, slime one, going in. So, everyone puts it like on the side. So that's what I'm going to do. Put that to the side. Okay, now we have this glow in the dark one. Okay, that came out really easily. Okay. So zoom in. So you can sort of see when I do this, you can sort of see that thing right there is glitter. That right there. That's glitter. And then that's glitter. That's glitter over there. Yeah, there's glitter in this. But it's all white glitter. So I'm sad this one has to go. But it just does because I said so. So then we're going to do this blue. Amazing, beautiful. I really do not want to get rid of this, but I have to. Because that's just what's going to happen. Go away, fishbowl bead. So yeah, I'm sad. I'm gonna take. So everyone, I'm gonna take a little piece of this off just cause I want to keep some. Oh, now it's at the angle where you can actually see it. So now I don't have to hold it back. So I love this one. It's like one of my favorites. I love the noise, like if you just shake it, not make the popping noise or anything. You hear it, Mom?
Yeah.
So it's really hot today, and soon, like in 9 minutes, we're gonna get into the car to go to my friend's house because I'm gonna go swimming. Right, Mom?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Where are your goggles?
I don't have any. I don't know. So it fits perfectly. It's like at the top. I have to say, like, look, you can sort of see the top of the slime. So this time I'm gonna go overhead again, so you guys can see how I'm mixing it. It's gonna feel so weird. Mommy, can you come here and help me hold the camera? Okay, so I feel that glow in the dark slime. Mommy, can you help me? So the glow in the dark slime, we didn't add anything to it. It's just the lotion I added sort of made it feel sort of weird. So it feels like butter slime. So I don't think it made it feel weird. It just made it feel like butter slime, which is good. So I think this is gonna end up as a. So I'm just gonna take it. Close it. So this is really fun. I love this. So, can you help me by holding this right here? Yeah, thank you. I know this.
Is that hurting the table?
Nope.
What's that on what's that like that?
Oh. So this is gonna need lotion
Yeah, you don't need this on.
because it doesn't really poke that well. But I mean, it doesn't really stretch that well. It breaks, but I don't want to break it or else it'll all go everywhere. Mom, you're not doing.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you. So now I'm gonna add some lotion and yeah, I'll be right back. Actually, wait, you know, can I borrow like just a teeny tiny little lotion?
Sure. Where does this go?
Just right there. Okay, Mom, okay. Say hi to the screen, Mom.
Hi, screen.
She does that every time she's on YouTube. She's like,
Is that what I look like? I look like a monster. Roar!
go away. You act like, excuse my mom.
I'm friends with the monsters.
Mom, this is gonna be posted, so. Okay, if you guys do new question, I'm starting a question of the day thing. The question of the day is do you guys do Musically? And if so, what is your account name? Tell me down in the description. Maybe if your phone is, or tablet or computer is this way, go over to the list of things or scroll way down. If you go over, you scroll way down, there should be a comment box down below. And if not, you go right down there. It's gonna be right there. So, wow. My mom needs to get some lotion.
I have to talk like that. What do you say?
Thank you. Oh, I need to start collecting these because they work really well. I've tried it before, and they're just body lotion and body lotion from hotels. They work. The hotel lotion works really well. So if you go to a hotel and you go into the bathroom, or it might even be on your pillow.
No, they'll put like a cookie or a chocolate on the pillow, but lotion's usually in the back.
Yeah, it's usually by the sink. If there is one. There is always a sink, so never mind. It should be like on where the sink usually.
We've stayed in places where we share bathrooms with other people though. Like common bathroom, like that place in Bisbee, remember like the bathroom at the end of the hall?
Yeah, but there's still, then it's gonna be in your room. There's gonna be one of these in every hotel.
Okay.
So I like to do both.
Yeah, that one smells good. One of those is smelly.
And this slime, I added scented colorant. Doesn't make any, Mom, okay.
Just kidding.
Just kidding. You say that too much. It doesn't make any sense. Because you aren't kidding anything because you just put something in my hair. Everyone, if you heard that beep, that was my hoverboard.
Why did it beep?
Because it turns off after like 10 minutes.
Did you turn it on?
Yeah, it was on. And then it turns off by itself, which is pretty nice. If you're thinking of getting a hoverboard, or if you want to get a hoverboard, I suggest, what brand is it, Mommy? GoTrax? Yeah, GoTrax Hoverfly Echo. It works really well. I had a sleepover with 3 girls came over, so it was 4 of us when we were riding it all night. It started acting up, then I put it away, charged it, let it charge it to 2 hours. Let it charge for 2 hours, and then it'll stop, and then, yeah, go back to riding it. So if you use it for like, it starts to act itself up by itself after about 4 hours.
It gets an attitude.
Yeah. So yeah. So here's your slime.
So which flowers are we taking to Chris?
Who's Pris?
Priscilla.
God. Pops really well and then doesn't stretch that well. Well, it's so good. I really recommend these lotions. And I don't really care. I don't really care what type of lotion. I just care that you get you get hotel lotions, because I have to say, no lying here, they were well, really well. Okay, everyone, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.